You should replace the microphone cover on your Kanso 2 sound processor every 3 months, or sooner if the microphone protectors look dirty or you notice a reduction in sound quality. One way to remember this is to change every season. The microphone protectors on your Kanso 2 sound processor are attached to the underside of your sound processor's cover. You should check them for signs of dirt or grime every day. To replace the microphone cover, first remove the cover by firmly lifting it with your thumbnail in the slot provided. Then sliding your nail either side to release it. When the cover is removed, the sound processor's sensitive microphones are exposed. Do not touch the microphones, as this could cause damage to your sound processor. Then, place a new cover on your sound processor, ensuring it lines up with the sound processor body properly. Ensure the tab on the underside of the microphone cover aligns with the notch in the housing. Lastly, press around the edge with your thumbs to make sure the cover is properly sealed.